The finance department at Logix works extensively with XML documents. They wish to automate processing of XML information generated from web services and cloud computing applications. The automated task can navigate and work with the XML tree structure. Moreover, they can automate the capturing of data with XML formatting and save it to a specific location. Let us see how they will go about it. You will use a simple XML file which contains some elements or nodes or tags. To do this, open the required XML file in the Internet Explorer. The XML file opened caters to the IP address of the local machine. First, launch the Workbench window from the Client Application window. Before automating tasks related to XML documents, you need to first connect to the XML session using Start XML Session command. Drag or double-click the Start XML Session subcommand to begin the XML session. Enter or accept the default XML session. Note that this session name is generated in all XML tasks till the next Start or End XML session is defined. Then select the required XML file or enter XML text by selecting the Text option. Click Save. Now, to check if the selected document follows the standards for XML files, XSD, or DTD, drag or double-click the Validate XML Document subcommand from the XML command. Ensure the session name is same as provided in the Start XML Session subcommand. Select the Well-Formed option under Select Validation Type. To store the output value, select a variable from the Assign the Output to Variable drop-down menu. Click Save. To confirm if everything is in order and to read the value from the variable, drag the Message Box command to the Action List pane and select the required variable in Please Enter Message to Show the User text box. Click Save. Once it is confirmed that everything is in order, end the XML session. To do that, drag or double-click the End XML Session subcommand from under the XML commands and click Save. Click the Save button in the Workbench toolbar. In the Save as Task window, enter a name for the task. Then click Save. Next, execute the task by clicking the Run button. A message box appears which shows the message as valid. Suppose you need to achieve the value of a specific node of an XML document, for example, value of the IP node. To do so, drag or double-click the Get Nodes subcommand from the XML command. Mention the XPath expression. In this case, you will retrieve the IP node information in the XML file. XPath expression is the most important as it helps to traverse the XML document. Then select a variable from the Assign Value to Variable drop-down menu and click Save. Now drag or double-click the message box and press F2 in the Please Enter Message to Show the User text box to provide the variable that holds the value. Click the Save button. Now save the task and run it. A message box with the value of the IP node of the XML document appears. Click OK. Suppose the value of the IP node changes as the IP address changes over time. You should be able to make corresponding changes in the document. For this, use the Update Node subcommand. Drag this subcommand to the Action List pane. Type the required XPath expression. In this case, IP. Enter new value and click Save. Now, to make the changes occur in the XML file, drag the Save Session Data subcommand from the XML command. Select the required variable from Assign XML Data to Variable drop-down menu. Now click the Write XML Data checkbox to write the updated data in the new or the same XML file. Next, in the File Path text file, click the ellipsis button to select the XML file to which the changes need to be updated. Provide a name for the file. Optionally, overwrite the file to nullify any existing file with the same name. Save the action. Drag or double-click the message box command to display the updated value. Enter the variable in the Please Enter Message to Show the User text field and click Save. Save this task once again and run it once more. The updated value is displayed in the message box. Upon opening the updated XML document in the Internet Explorer, the IP node value will appear changed in the XML document. This is how Logic's financial department can connect to the XML session and extract the value of a single node using subcommands such as getSingleNode, update nodes, and execute XPath functions.